Hey, Grego's here. Oh, what's going on? I think I say that in all my videos. Anyway, here we are at Van Zal's Restorations. You know, let's just say we've got a bit of a name as being VW specialists, and I guess we do. Everywhere I look I see VW, so I guess yes, we do a few of them. But we like to mix it up as well. The way I see it, metal is metal. So we can work on whatever needs to be worked on. So we've got a few interesting projects coming up this year, non-VW ones, and so it'd be worth staying tuned for that. But let's do an introduction to Ava. And I had the responsibility of naming this vehicle, as the owner has pretty much only called it bad words. I thought, you know, there's a movie, Bond, James Bond, Blonde Bond. It caused a few upsets, but you know, whatever. It's only hair colour, poutiness. Casino Royale, let's talk about it. That is the colour on this car that has been painted at another shop. The whole car's been to multiple shops. Some good, some not so good. And I don't think it's ever had the finish that it deserves for the dollars that have been spent. Things can be improved. It's got a mad mechanical package, which we won't go into, but let's just say that Andrew's gonna have his work cut out to sort this. So it's come in here with this damage. I think a cyclist bloody wasn't watching where they're going and ran into it. I don't know whether the cyclist survived. No, just joking. But we would never condone hurting cyclists. Yeah, so what's happened here? Well, it's had a bit of a pushy, smashy in this quarter, which has sort of pulled this down, and it's popped. The boot's sort of got a little bit of damage there, but might be okay. So we are going to replace the bottom of that, which the owner's already taken off. We're going to replace that section, and the quarter panel. We'll work out what's what with the quarter, whether we need to replace the whole lot right to the door, or whether we can just replace, you know, from here back, which is the damaged part. But as you can tell, not real impressed with what's going on here. This bog looks, yeah, it's very crumbly. Like, look, you know, like every car's virtually got bog in it. But I'm a big believer in, you know, a properly prepared surface under the filler, which includes epoxy. And here is a prime example where they've ripped all it out to bare metal, and it's had the bog over it, and it's already signs of rusting there and in there. So again, like, but mind you, this some of this bog's up to like 10 mil thick, so there was definitely something going on there, something. This is more, yeah, well, I just hope that it's, like down here, it seems to be, looks like they might have replaced this at some stage. This red is like a bloody mystery, I don't know. They might have replaced the bottom and left the top, and I don't know what's going on. There's a lot going on. But anyway, we've got to fix it. We have to make Ava the stunner that she was destined to be. And, you know, it's been a love-hate relationship with the owner and this car. And if you watch Casino Royale, you'll see at the end that Ava well, she plays Vespa in the movie. Did I go over that? Ava Green, the actress that plays Vespa in Casino Royale, is she turns out to be not so nice, but then Bond fell for her, so he's like tries to save her, but it's too late. Oh, what a story! Actually, it's funny when that come out, Casino Royale, they were all bitching. He doesn't look like a Bond. He's too pouty. He's too whatever. But it was, yeah, I think it was the highest or second highest or second most popular amongst the Bond critics in the end. But who cares about that? It's just a movie. You know, it's like all this Eleanor rubbish that, you know, the ex-wife of the bloke who invented the name for the blah blah blah. I think that is nuts. The USA suing logic just astounds me. But anyway, it's just a name, but we are calling this one Ava because she will be hot. And yes, the colour of Casino Royale, Aston Martin colour, lovely colour. It just needs to be repaired and done right. A few little details not real happy with, and just needs that, you know, when there's a bit of damage done when they're fitting the doors. And so yeah, so we'll probably just be going over the outside of the car once the repairs are done. So yeah, so get the glass out, get all this, well, most of it's going to have to be cut away, but yeah, we'll get all that sorted. The other parts are on their way, or at least you can get new quarters and all that for this. So yeah, so that's a rundown of Ava, and we're excited that it's something a little bit different. So stay tuned.